Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be drawing Gogeta from Dragon Ball. Gogeta Super Saiyan 4, to be precise. So, landscape page, use a pencil, use your pause button when I move my hand or if I go too fast. Okay, so we're going to start with the Dragon Ball W in the middle of their face. So just below the center point, just down here, we're going to go this W sort of round kind of shape like this. Okay, like so. And then we've got an eyebrow, so we're going to tick up eyebrows both sides. Now some of his eyebrow goes under hair, but I'll draw it in and we can erase it later. Okay, so we just tick up like so, like that, and it's thicker at this end. We're not going to see this, so you don't really need to worry about this end too much. And then it comes down, and it gets skinnier as we go down. Down to like there. Okay, and the eyebrow on the other side, pretty much the same thing. Tick it up. And it goes underneath his hair there. But we'll bring it down anyway, the other side. Like so. And then his eye, so we have a small line this side, a long line that side, and then we join them together. That box-like sort of shape that Dragon Ball characters have in their eyes. Long line, small line, and then join them together like so. So then his iris, so curves around here like so. Iris like so. And then pupil, small black semicircle just underneath his eyebrow there. Same thing here. Barely see it because he's frowning so hard, like so. And then he has like frown lines just up here, and like maybe some side of his face as well. He's a grumpy looking character. And then his nose, it's just like a letter L kind of there, shadow on the side, that kind of diamond shape. And then his mouth, so grumpy, like so, flat first, but then turn down on the edges, like that, really close to his nose in Dragon Ball characters. Then just a line for his bottom lip, just there. So then his chin, just here, like so. Now you can check, make sure everything's in proportion. So the nose is halfway between the chin and his eyes. So from like the middle of his eye, from here to his nose, is the same as from his nose to his chin. And his bottom lip line, this line, is about halfway between the nose and the chin. Just there. Approximately, not exactly. Just want to get this line to be about halfway. Maybe a little bit higher up, but approximately halfway. And once you get those proportions, you bring his jaw up the side, stop just underneath the end of his eyebrow there, and then change direction and go up like that. Do the same thing in the other side. So you go across, stopping just underneath the edge of his eye there, see that, and across from his mouth, and then you'll change direction and go up this way. So then we have those tick lines. They're just on his face, you know, the Dragon Ball tick lines like that. And then we'll do those hair spikes for his fringe. So we have one here, goes up like so, into there. Next one, down across to there. This one comes across his eye now, up like so, into there. Then the other side goes up, and then bring it down around like so, and this comes down like that. So then the next one up, down this way, across his eye to there, and then we go back up like so, back in towards the top of his head, down like that, and then just the other side of that bump goes that way, and then one more bump just this side going in there. And now I'll erase these lines in here. Okay, so his ears, so just big ears for Dragon Ball characters, just in here under his hair. The other one just out on, say, the other side, so sticks out, say here, like so. And then we got bones and ligaments inside there, so like just like lines like this, bumpy sort of. You don't need to worry too much about the accuracy, or just once you get the general sort of shape, you're alright. No one really looks at ears, that kind of thing. And right, necklines. So we've one coming down just from his ear, just here, down like so, real big neck, and the other one comes down from the bottom of his hair, just there. Okay, and then the rest of his hair. So we've got real big long hair spike, Super Saiyan 4, down like that. Okay, and then this comes back up all the way up right next to the top of his ear. Okay, same thing on this side. That, and then we've more hair spikes coming all the way around his head. So let's go. Spike up to there. This comes back down. And then we have another one just here, like so. Smaller one down here, like that. These ones go behind his shoulder. You can't see the bottom of that one. And then another one just here, like so. Next one in the middle, up like that. Kind of curves back towards this side of his head. And then we've quite a big one coming across there, and then comes down like so. Another one just here, like so. And then we've one sticking out to the left, like that. And then we bring this back into his ear. Let's see, we've one more here, down, back in. And then one that goes behind his other shoulder, just there. And then we've a large one just in the center of his head, like coming across, say, there and down, like that. And then this is going to spike back down to here. That kind of thing. And then of course Dragon Ball characters have texture lines all over the hair, so you just want to follow the general shape for each spike like this, and just add them as you see fit. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do the rest of his body. So we have the line for his black and gold sort of coat or jacket or waistcoat just here. Okay, curves down down off my page. Same on this side. Curves out. We bring it back this way, in like so, and then down. Like that. So then in here we have anatomy and stuff. So more neck muscles coming down like this from his jaw. And they come down to his chest, just here. So the chest bumps across like so, both sides of his neck. Like that. And then we have a line in here. Another neck muscle line there. Adam's apple sort of line there. And then trapezius muscle just there. And we got like some bumps and folds in at the back, just like that. Then we have the center line for his chest, like so. And we could have the bottom of his chest muscles, say here. Like that. The other side will come across like so. And you could have chest muscle lines there. So that's an ab line, and then the top of his diaphragm and abs just there. Another ab muscle, and then the fur on the side. You know, the Super Saiyan 4 kind of fur, and you can add like texture lines there if you want it, just to make it look furry. So then the other side of his shoulder, he's got those, like only the fusion characters have them. They're these shoulder pads. They're strange. So curves, comes down to a point if you can fit it, and then it's kind of bumpy on this side. Kind of looks like a caterpillar or something. And it has all these sort of curving lines around the edges. It's like a real cushiony sort of shoulder pad. And then his actual shoulder, so his actual like furry Super Saiyan 4 shoulder, just there. And then like, so that's the shoulder muscle, and then his tricep just comes out here, goes down off my page. And then we have like bicep muscle. And this comes up for another shoulder muscle. And you just, you know, you can add fur lines, texture lines, like that if you want. He also has like red around his eyes, so you can, but that's not done with black line. It's done with just red color. So I won't draw it in, but you can add it if you want. Just separate the golden section from the black section, just here. Oh, and I forgot some hairlines here, like so. Then the other shoulder pad over here. This bumpy kind of caterpillar. And it's got those lines on them. This kind of thing. And then his Super Saiyan 4 hairy shoulder. Do you think they'll bring Super Saiyan 4 back into Dragon Ball Super? What do you think? I don't know, people are pretty angry about Dragon Ball Go GT, so I'm not sure if they will. We could just see like bicep line just here, hairy sort of thing, just going into his shoulder there, and then some texture lines, some hair lines. Kind of thing. And I think that's everything. How to draw. Wait, it's not everything. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave it. That'll do. How to draw Gogeta. Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.